Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at x and y-intercept. What we want to be able to do is graph a line when the equation is in standard form using just the x and y-intercept. So let's take a look at a few examples. Alright, so here it says plot the x and y value, plot the x and y intercepts and use them to graph. So essentially what you want to do is you've got 3x plus 6y equals 24. And you're plugging in 0 each time. So like when x is 0, what is y? And when y is 0, what is x? So what you want to do is just cover it up and solve everything else. So for this first one, I'm going to cover up the 6y, which means I'm plugging in 0 for y. And I'm left with 3x is equal to 24. So if I solve 3x is equal to 24, which means I'm going to divide by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Well, I'll go to 8 on the x-axis and 0 for y. So 8, 0 is this point here. All right, and that's the x-intercept. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and cover up the 3x and then solve 6y is equal to 24. So once I do that, 6y is equal to 24, I divide by 6 and y is equal to 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. So at 0, 4, what's that point? So I go up to 4 on the y-intercept. And then I just draw a line. Alright, let's take a look at another example. So here we're going to plot the x and y intercepts. I'm going to cover up the 6y. And it doesn't matter which order you do it, I just happen to cover up the y first. So now I've got 6x is equal to 24, so I solve that. Alright, divide by 6 and x is equal to 4. So when x is 4, y is 0. And now I'm going to cover up the 6x and solve for 6y is equal to 24. And that, of course, will give me y is equal to 4 again. But this time it's on the y-axis. So when x is 0, y is 4. And then I just draw a line connecting those 2 points. And that's it. That is a quick little video on using x and y intercepts. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.